Hello guys, I've got a mystery box here and it's a big old FabFitFun mystery box that I got for free. And I can't wait to show it to you guys. I'm excited to get in here and see what I got. I got this free because I signed up for an annual subscription, a second subscription. I've already showed you my second customized box, and now I get to show you my free mystery box that I got. And it's valued up to $250 or more, and I don't know the value, but I am going to show you what I got in this box, and we'll see if I got any duplicates. And of course, if I have any duplicates, they'll end up in a giveaway at some point. So keep that in mind. But this is Miss Jackie Russell. Welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription that you can get on an annual purchase for $259, and that will allow you 4 seasons, and it's a great deal really because the values can be up from $250 to $500 or $600 a box based on what you choose. And with an annual subscription you get to pick everything first. You get to choose all your items, which you get to do in the quarterly as well, but you have to wait a couple of weeks later, or maybe it's longer, I'm not sure. But with the annual, you get first into the edit sales and everything. So that's one of the reasons that I'm annual. Plus, the annual breaks down to $65 a box, okay? Let's get real. That's a little bit more affordable. And the quarterly is $79.99 a quarter, but now you can cancel that anytime. And we can cancel our annual anytime, but when we prepay, we're going to get the boxes that we have already paid for. But with the quarterly, if you're not sure, you can go quarter to quarter, or if your budget won't allow that one-time purchase, you can do it that way. And you can also skip. So you can sign up quarterly and skip, and you can also skip with the annual. They give you lots of options, and I just love it. But let me quit yapping, and let's get in this box and see what my mystery goodies are. Oh, I also got a $50 credit too. I got a free box worth $250 or more, and I got a $50 credit in the edit sale. So I was real pleased with that. That was very hard to turn away. That was like getting my box, $50 off my box because I can use that cash credit. So in essence, I might have paid $209, although I did pay the full amount that I told you. But I already got a credit. It's already in my edit sale. So yeah, I'll be buying something. I don't know what. Now let's see what I have. I hope I don't have repeats. I know this one box is not a repeat because I didn't get anything in a box. So let's open this up and see what it is. It's got a pink box. It's Summer and Rose, and it looks like I got the ceramic planters. Oh, okay. I think this was like custom number 4 or 5. I don't remember, and maybe I'll write it across there and I'll tell you the value as we're going across there. But let me get into this. I do have my scissors here. They have it packaged very well. Did you get the planters? I didn't get the planters. So this is for sure. This is for sure not a duplicate for me. Man, it is really packed down. Let's take a look at this. It looks to be in navy. So I don't know if there were any choice colors or not, but mine came and it's the navy color, so it's a dark blue. And then the planters are really pretty. They've got flowers painted on there. Very, very pretty. And you've got a drain so that it can drain. And of course it can sit on here so you're not going to have water running everywhere. So that's nice. And I have a few plants that I need to repot. So now that spring's here, this will be a great thing to do. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? Get my flowers turned around here. Oh, I love that. What do you think? That's a great first item. Now let's see what my next item is. Oh, it looks like I got some bowls. Now these were the bowls that I think they're stainless steel bowls. And again, this is all a surprise, and I didn't get to customize this, so it's a mystery to me, but it looks like a nice mystery so far. And I don't know the values of most of this, so we'll just have to find out as we move along here. But this here are the pans. Now you could have got these dishes, I don't know what they call it. I guess they're just stainless steel bowls. You could have got them in a dark blue, which I wish I would have, because I do have the Dutch oven that's in the dark blue, and had this come in the dark blue, it would have matched that perfectly. But this will do. So let's take a look. I think there's two. It's got kind of a plastic lid, and then we have a second one inside here that matches that color. And I'm going to leave that one wrapped up because you got an idea of the size and you've got an idea of the color. So very nice, and they had it wrapped up really good. And I think this was customization number 2, but I really don't know for sure. But I think that is a pretty color. And I think it's blue enough. It's kind of a bluish green, but it'll kind of blend in my kitchen. So the next item that I have in here, now this was number 5, I'm thinking, and I already have these. So I'm going to show you the ones that I've already opened, and this was in my, I did choose this in my customized box when I got this. But I want to show you, they're the stainless steel salad server spoons, and they are so pretty. So right away I can tell you this other set that I have not opened will end up in a giveaway. But aren't those pretty? And we're talking about heavy duty, and you could use them in any kind of salad. I think I mentioned this, you could use it in your crock pot as well. So this is very nice. I really like these. But like I said, you'll be seeing these, well, not those, you'll be seeing this box in a giveaway. So, because I already have a duplicate, so there's no reason for me to keep it. And then the next thing that I have in here, and I don't know if I have more than, I just showed you 3 things, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay, the next thing that I got was the Rosy Soil garden pruners, and I could really use these. I didn't choose these, so this is going to be something that'll be right up my alley for pruning, because I don't have any rose bushes anymore, but I do have honeysuckle and some other bushes. I have blackberries that are here, and some of them need to be cut back, and some of my plants can be cut back. So let's take a look at these. Oh, these are very nice, and they're going to be very sharp. So I definitely don't want to cut myself or anything, but this is Rosy Soil, so you can do a lot of pruning and cutting with these. So that is excellent. Garden pruners. So I like that. Very good. So far I'm doing real good. I didn't have too many duplicates. Now the next item that I have in here, the Drunk Elephant De-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. And if I'm not mistaken, I have this already, so this will be in a giveaway. In my FabFitFun custom box, I picked these, the De-Bronzers, the Sunshine Drops, and I guess they're all the same color. I would have to check and see, but you'll probably see this in a giveaway at some point. I do want to make mention, I am going to show the color of it. Let me shake it up a little bit. It's a nice bronzy color, and it blends in really well. And you could even put this in your makeup. Like if you have lighter skin and you want a little bronze to it, you could put that in your makeup. But you can see it just bronzed out my hand. Actually, the color matched it up pretty good. So yeah, that's a very nice product. And like I said, I have it. So that could be in a future giveaway. And the next thing that I have in here that I have, and I don't know if I'll be giving this out or not, but it's an Ole Henriksen. And the only reason I say that is because I love this lip gloss. It's a peptide lip gloss, and I have it in the strawberry mauve and the ginger, and I think that's what this is. The limeberry jam glimmer. So I may let go of this. I'll let you know, you'll just have to find out and see, because when I tried this, I didn't know how well I'd like it. They had a Kosas product in there as well, and I'm sorry, this Ole Henriksen just like slams that Kosas down bad, in my opinion. The Kosas is okay, but it doesn't have any flavor, and the color's not very strong. I like a little bit stronger color for my lip balms, and this has peptides in it. I'm not sure if the Kosas does. I know Kosas is a clean brand, and some of you may love it, but I've got two different colors, and I don't know. I'm out on the whatever. I'm not sure how I like it, but I do know I like this one a lot. So we'll see. And then the last thing I have in here, which must be some kind of bonus. Now, this here is like a $26 value. I do remember that. And these are the sweater socks. Now, why did they put sweater socks in here for spring? So I don't know if that was an accident, but I can tell you one thing. My granddaughter loves these kind of socks. So I'll be giving these to her. And I think I've already given her a pair. Can't remember for sure, but I know she likes to wear on windy days and stuff. She likes to pull these all the way up. So I got these socks. So I'll try to give you a price on that. I don't know if I'll be able to find one or not. Like I said, I don't even know why it's in my box. It would be number 7, I believe. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's the drunk elephant at? 5, and then 6. So yeah, the socks are just a bonus. So I don't know, got those in there. Maybe that brought up my value to $250. I don't know. I know the box was supposed to be a free gift, and it was going to be a spring box, $250 value, maybe or more. So I'll try to give you the value across there. But I think I got a great mystery box. What do you think? Do you have a favorite of any of these? Are you a favorite of the Drunk Elephant? Did you know right now in the edit sale you can buy a Drunk Elephant like complete skincare set for, I want to say it's like $69 or something. It's like a $250 value. So there are benefits to being part of FabFitFun and getting some really good deals. And if you like that particular brand, you would love being able to get a whole facial kit worth of Drunk Elephant products. So that's my box. You let me know what's my favorite. Well, I am going to say, even though I have this is one of my favorites for sure. My next favorite, I think, is going to be the planter, because I do like to plant, and I like to have flowers in the house. And so, and our plants. I could use herbs in this, or, you know, I have cactus. I keep a lot of cactus because it's easy to keep in the summer and in the winter, because I can bring it in and it does pretty good during the winter. And then, of course, these hot Texas summers, it does really good. So those are my favorites. You let me know what your favorites are, and be sure to be on the lookout for some of these other items to be in a future giveaway. But as for today and this mystery FabFitFun free box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.